Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create 100 social media posts in 60 seconds using ChatGPT and Canva. My name is Mary Aneju. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log into your ChatGPT. When you are logged into ChatGPT, this is how it's going to look like. So you are going to ask ChatGPT for a prompt. Let's say you want to create like 100 graphics content on maybe money tutorials on a course, and you don't want to be going back to your Canva to design this content every single time or every single day. You just want all the content to be on ground. So what you are going to do, you are going to ask ChatGPT to generate. We are going to say generate. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be using just 5 because I don't want this video to be too long. So I'm going to say generate 5 quotes on, let's say tutorial. Let's say because it's going to be a tutorial on tutorial, or let's say on money along with their authors in a table. With their authors in a table. So when you do that, you click on enter. So as you can see, it's trying to generate the quote. So it has successfully generated the 5 quotes on money with their authors for us. So what you do here, you copy this quote. When you copy this quote, you now go to your Canva. This is Canva. This is how the interface looks like. So when you go to Canva, you are going to say now, which platform are you going to use? Do you want to use to create your posts? Are you using the platform of social media platform? Are you using Facebook? Is it for Instagram? Whatever platform you want to use. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be using Facebook posts. Let's say I want to make a Facebook graphic post on money. So now I'm going to scroll through this to look for the template I like. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, let's say I actually want this template. So I've selected the template, and then you click on it. So now you can actually edit this template to whatever you want it to be. You can, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I don't want to show you how to start editing and making different kinds of posts on how to use Canva. I'll create a video on how to use Canva, but for this tutorial, now I've selected the template. Now this is the template I want. So what you now do, you can now, on your Canva interface, you will look for where you see there's a place called bulk create. Look at it here at your left hand side. Then you click on, look at it, bulk create. When you click on bulk create, it will bring you here. You can see we have here, we say it's saying enter data manually or upload CXV. So for here now, we are going to be using enter data manually. So because you remember we copied that prompt, that this is what ChatGPT gave us on the code. We copied it and now we want to use it here on Canva. So when you click on bulk, it brings you here, and then you right click and you are going to delete column. You right click again, you are going to delete column, and you now paste that um content you got from ChatGPT. Now you right click and you click on paste. Now this is the 5 content that we got from ChatGPT. Now we want to also add an image to this content that we have. Now you can now click here on add image. You can decide not to add an image, you can add an image. It depends on what you want. So now you now whatever image that you want to use. Let's say I want to use this image. I also want to use a different image the next day. You also want to use another image. Now you have to use image for all the columns. You don't just leave it blank like that. So now you now click on, go down and you click on done. Now we are done. So what you do, you come to the Canva interface here, this design that you have here. Now you select where you want your quote to be. Now you can just right click on the place and you click on connect data and you click on quote, because we want our quote to be here. Now what about the author? We want the author to be here. Now you can come here and you click on connect. This is for the author, and you click on it. Now the image also, we want this image to be a different image. As you can see, you click on image. Now what we are going to do, we are going to continue. Click on continue and you click on generate. It's actually generating. So let's wait for it to generate. As you can see, we've successfully generated our content, and this is how it looks like. This is how they all look like. Now you can adjust, you can edit. If you are not comfortable with the position of certain places, you can change them. Let's see here, you can see. So this is what we have. This is what we have. You can see 5. You can do 100, you can do 200. Depends on what you want. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you learned something valuable from this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.